Structure of a five-wave impulse in Elliott Wave Theory. The five-wave impulse structure is the backbone of Elliott Wave Theory. It forms the foundation of bullish and bearish market cycles. In this module, we'll break down the impulse into its five waves, explore the rules that govern them, and understand how this structure helps traders identify market direction with greater accuracy. The core five-wave pattern. The core of Elliott Wave Theory lies in its five-wave pattern. In an upward trend, the market moves in three advancing waves: Wave 1, Wave 3, and Wave 5, separated by two corrective pullbacks, Wave 2 and Wave 4. Wave 1 kicks off the trend. Wave 3 is usually the strongest push, and Wave 5 marks the final upward surge. Meanwhile, Wave 2 and Wave 4 are temporary pullbacks that offer entry opportunities before the trend resumes. Together, they form the motive phase of the Elliott wave structure. Each wave in the five-wave impulse structure has its own internal composition. Wave 1 forms a smaller five-wave advance. Wave 2 corrects it with a typical three-wave pullback. Then comes Wave 3, the most powerful, built from another five-wave sequence. Wave 4 slows down with a shallow three-wave correction. Finally, Wave 5 completes the pattern with its own five-wave structure. This 5-3-5-3-5 sequence illustrates the fractal nature of Elliott Wave Theory, patterns repeating at every degree. Rule 1. Wave 3 is never the shortest. The first core rule of an impulse wave is simple yet powerful. Wave 3 is never the shortest among waves 1, 3, and 5. In fact, Wave 3 is usually the longest and most explosive, driven by momentum, volume, and market conviction. If Wave 3 is shorter than both Wave 1 and Wave 5, the count is invalid. This rule ensures the wave structure reflects real market momentum. It is a cornerstone of accurate wave identification. Rule 1. Wave 3 is never the shortest. The first core rule of an impulse wave is simple yet powerful. Wave 3 is never the shortest among waves 1, 3, and 5. In fact, Wave 3 is usually the longest and most explosive, driven by momentum, volume, and market conviction. If Wave 3 is shorter than both Wave 1 and Wave 5, the count is invalid. This rule ensures the wave structure reflects real market momentum. It is a cornerstone of accurate wave identification. The second rule of an impulse pattern states, Wave 4 must not enter the price territory of Wave 1. This ensures a clean separation between impulsive and corrective structures. If Wave 4 overlaps Wave 1, the pattern is invalid and must be recounted. This rule protects the integrity of the wave structure and reinforces a strong unfolding trend. Why these rules matter. Following the Elliott wave rules is not just about structure, it's about precision. These rules validate true impulse patterns and increase the reliability of your analysis. They confirm trend direction, help identify strong momentum, and provide a clear trading edge. By respecting the rules, you reduce misinterpretation and make more informed trading decisions. Identifying a valid impulse wave, follow a systematic checklist. First, count 5 distinct waves in the direction of the trend. Second, ensure Wave 3 is not the shortest among waves 1, 3, and 5. Third, confirm Wave 4 does not overlap Wave 1's price territory. And finally, verify the internal structure follows a 5-3-5-3-5 pattern. These checks ensure your wave count is accurate, which is essential for reliable market analysis. Key takeaways and next steps. Mastering the five-wave impulse is a cornerstone of Elliott Wave Theory. Remember these essentials. The core pattern defines market direction. Its internal structure follows a 5-3-5-3-5 sequence. And two crucial rules must be respected. Wave 3 is never the shortest, and Wave 4 must not overlap Wave 1. Continue developing your skills by practicing wave identification in real charts and studying corrective patterns for a complete understanding.